When you hear those words, do you still think of the old-fashioned, slow and labor-intensive printing methods? If so, it's time to change that perception, because screen printing has evolved. SIMMAC proudly introduces its next-generation single-color screen printing machine, a perfect combination of speed, quality and productivity. Now, every order is a new opportunity for your business. Whether it's an order of 100 pieces or thousands, this machine is designed to handle every challenge with ease. With an impressive speed of 1500 impressions per hour, you can increase production, save valuable time and boost your profits. And the best part? You don't need complicated training to operate it. Its user-friendly controls and robust performance make it an excellent investment for any printing business. This versatile machine can print on a wide range of products, including wedding cards, letterheads, posters, pamphlets, jute bags, PP woven sack bags, non-woven bags, metallic bags, BOPP laminated bags, cloth bags, plastic bags, and many more. Every print delivers sharp details. Every order receives a professional finish. And if your business requires multicolor printing, double color screen printing machines are also available. But SIMMAC offers more than just machines. We provide a complete screen printing ecosystem. From dryers and UV dryers to screen stretching machines, screen exposure units, frames, screen fabrics and drying shelves, you'll find everything you need under one roof. From setup to production, SIMMAC delivers a complete solution for your printing business. So the real question isn't whether you need a screen printing machine. Question is, how fast do you want to grow your printing business? If you'd like to see this machine in action, understand its capabilities, or find the right solution for your business, call us today and schedule a live demonstration. SIMMAC, where technology meets production and production turns into profit.